am Melanie Mills, Toasted Blonde. Today, we're in the bathroom again because it's time to do lowlights. My hair is so bleach blonde at the ends, and these roots are so dark, and I just can't take it anymore. Look here. It's time to do lowlights, so stay with me if you want to see a quick, easy way to do lowlights. By yourself at home. No, you're going to need a little bit of assistance. I did. I'm showing you now, like, you can see what we're dealing with, right? All right, so first thing you do is you brush all your hair back and you try and evenly distribute your oiliness through it, so that makes it easier to pull through your cap. Dirty hair is best. All right, and I say this like I know what the fuck I'm talking about, but I don't. Okay, I've only done highlights a couple of times and I've never done lowlights with the cap. So like, this is just a fucking experiment. Oh, and I swear my videos. I'm Melanie Mills. I'm Toasted Blonde. I swear in my videos, and I do lots of crazy hair things, and I've been on like a leave of absence for a while, but I think I'm back. I think I'm ready to put out 1 to 2 videos a week, and subscribe to my channel right now if that interests you. And we're gonna get started with the cap. So, okay, right there, and you want to get really tight on your head, and it looks super freaking attractive. Now, you're gonna start at the front, and you're gonna pull it back. And if you're lucky, you'll find some people in your household will do it for you. And if you buy 2 caps, I think I had 2. Anyway, if you get 2 hooks and then 2 people can do it, it goes really fast. So I want low lights. Low lights. Actually, low. That's what I want, low lights. So I am going to use Demi-Permanent 7N by Ion because I don't know, I just like Ion products. Okay, so we're gonna go down to 7. I don't know that I've ever dyed my hair that dark. I think I have, but never with Ion, so, and never Demi-Permanent. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just going to do the blue dots, the blue circles. I'm not gonna go like all of them, just the blue ones, okay? And we're gonna go everywhere, and then not the underneath, because I'm just going to dye all the underneath dark because I like the rooty look. All right, I'm going to go have somebody help me through it and hook it for me, and then I'll be back and show you what I look like. All right. I don't know why I love this shit. All right, so here I am. My daughter's pulled it through. It looks freaking fantastic. I'm happy. I pulled the back here. I got some of it back in the ponytail, so I'm back in a clip. Anyway, and it's time to go. So I've got 1:1 ratio, 10 developer, not the 20. I read the directions. 10 developer, 10. 1:1 ratio hair dye to developer, and we're gonna go for it. You can see the roots are already so dark. Like, should I be even putting it on the roots? I don't know. Let's try to gather together some of this stuff, this hair that just desperately needs it. I want it darker. Let's see, it's a little drippier than I kind of remember. I don't know what I've done wrong. I always do something wrong. So I'm going to put this all on and show you what it looks like in just a minute, because you know what? There's nothing more boring than watching somebody put this stuff on their hair. Shh, I'm doing keto, but there's something about dyeing my hair that makes me want a beverage. Oh God, I had 1 sip. Rum and Diet Pepsi. Holy shit, all right. Oh my God. Okay, all right, I'm back. 25 minutes, and here's what it looks like. I got like a tail. I've got a tail. Anyway, so it's time to rinse it and I guess wash it and pull the cap off. We'll do that. You see how dark it is? I'm terrified. All right, so I'm going to rinse it, and come show you what it looks like. Hold on. It's looking frighteningly dark, like scary as shit dark. So let's do the reveal. Sometimes the reveals are fun and sometimes they're scary, and I think this is going to be filled with dye. But let's do it. All right. That's scary. All right. Here's what it's looking like this. I'm gonna rinse again, and okay, here is it half wet, and it changed everything. Like, I don't even feel like I have blonde hair anymore. I kind of expected this, but I'll see what it looks like tomorrow, and I'll show you when it's dry and I look normal. And hey, it's the next morning. Holy shit, I love it. Like, holy shit. Look at this. It totally toned down the blonde, which was just getting too out of control. It's just, look. It's fantastic. I can't recommend you try this method at home with a cap. So freaking easy, and the results are amazing, and I am so pleased. Holy shit. I was thinking I needed a haircut. I think I'll probably do some highlights, but I don't even know right now. I'm gonna love this for a couple days, or at least the day. And then I'll be back. If I decide to do highlights, I'll put it at the end. All right, thanks for watching Melanie Mills Toasted Blondes with Lowlights. Okay, quick update. I did highlight it, add highlights, because I like it so much better.